Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you this week. My name is Kpamor James Tengo Suleh, and I'm glad that you have kept a date with me and you are with me this Thursday also. And today I want to talk to you on what I've titled "To Excel in Life, Become a Painter." To excel in life, become a painter. And I'm talking to you on what I've practiced. I'm talking to you on what I'm deeply involved in, and I can tell you that it works. It will, in fact, they work in a way that you may not have ever imagined. Now, before you begin to look out for me to do portraits of your pictures, permit me to inform you that the artistic painting I'm talking about, it's not necessarily what you are very familiar with. Those of painting people's pictures on portraits in picture form, but I'm talking about what you have to do by yourself. Now, this is one of the important criterion or important factors of this artistic work that you would have to notice even from the onset of this content. It is an artistic work that nobody else but you can do for yourself. It's a work that none other than yourself can do for yourself. And that's the mistake that a lot of persons have done over the years. Many people allow others to do this artistic painting for them, or they are just careless about it. And for many people who have tried to allow others to do this artistic painting for them have ended up with a life that is a far cry from what they were destined to live. Some have not even lived any life at all, simply because those to whom they entrusted that responsibility failed to do the needful. So what do I mean when I talk about an artistic painting? I'm talking about you painting a picture of what you have perceived that you will be in life. Painting a picture of what you have perceived or what you have received from God that is your destiny in life. You paint that picture on the tablet of your heart. Now, let me let you know that there is nobody who has lived a fulfilled life without such a painting. There is nobody, I repeat, that has lived a life that he was destined to live without such an artistic painting upon the tablet of his heart. You cannot become anything that you have not become in your heart already. And you cannot achieve anything in life that you have not already achieved on the tablet of your heart. So what you have not successfully painted on the tablet of your heart, you cannot become it in real physical existence, and you cannot achieve it in real physical existence. Now, you will agree with me that the issue of artistic painting is what you cannot underestimate. Now, even in the physical artistic painting that we know, do you know that many times somebody will bring a picture to an artist for a portrait, and it's a picture that he has seen over and over and over again. But when the picture is painted professionally and in a very beautiful way, the same person who brought the picture marvels at the way the picture is painted, and there is a new communication that radiates from that painting or from that artistic work to him. And that is what the painting upon the tablet of your heart does. When you receive an information, and before we end, I will give you an information on how you can receive the portrait that you need to paint. Now, when you receive that portrait and you begin to paint it on the tablet of your heart, it will amaze you. In fact, that portrait will radiate to you as though you are not the one that had received it. It will have a communication that will energize your heart to really become what you have painted on the tablet of your heart. Now, I believe that you have watched this video to this moment because you desire to excel in life I believe that you have watched this video to this moment, perhaps because you have a loved one that you also want to excel in life. One way, and one critical way that you can excel in life, is to become an artist. And that is by becoming the portrait painter of your life on the tablet of your heart. Until you do that, you cannot successfully excel in life. In whatever venture that you want to do, be it in marriage, be it in business, whatever profession that you desire to excel in, until you paint that excellence on the tablet of your heart successfully and carry it with you all day long, you will not become that which you desire to become. Now the question is, how will I paint this portrait? How will I receive that which I need to paint on the tablet of my heart? Now there are two critical ways that I want to bring to you. They may not be all the ways, but there are two that I consider very, very important, that will be the beginning of your painting process. Now one, I consider it to be most important, is that you need to look up. You need to look up. Now scripture tells us, the Bible tells us, that there is a spirit in man, and it is the inspiration of God that giveth him wisdom. One way that you can get this painting of who you need to become in life, so that you begin your painting process, is to ask the person who created you, and that's God. When you ask God in prayer, he will show you what you need to become. He will show you the profession that you need to venture in. He will show you the life that he has destined that you should live. And when you have received that life, you will now begin your painting. Now, irrespective of how the information comes, now usually what God does is that he begins to drop the information in piecemeals. Whatever piece that he drops to you, begin the painting with. Don't wait until you have received the full information, because you may not receive if you have not begun painting with the pieces that he has given you. So the pieces of information that he has given you, begin painting with it, and as you begin to strike your brush upon the tablet of your heart painting, you will realize that the information will begin to come in from the source that you have asked into your heart, so that the painting will be completed. Now the second way that you can do the painting upon your heart, which is very important but less critical to the first that I have informed you, is if you have not accessed information from God, but you have an idea of the interest that you have in life, then you need to identify someone who has already excelled in that area and study him, paint his picture or the things he has done upon your heart. For instance, maybe you want to be an excellent drummer or an excellent musician. Identify a musician that appeals to your heart and begin to paint the excellent things that that musician has done upon the tablet of your heart. In that process, and in the process of time, you will certainly receive the information that God would want to give you, as it has to do with what he has destined you to become in life. Now, painting that I have described to you is very simple. You don't need to begin this painting as a professional. Now, many of you watching this video may have gone to pre-class or preschool, or probably you have children who are in preschool, and you know how they start painting. Usually they'll be given a picture in their textbooks or in the materials that they have in school, and they will be given colored pencils to paint. Now, if you were in such a class, or you have a child in such a class, you will remember, or it will recall to you that when they started painting, many times they will do painting out of the object, and it may not really be interesting. But over time, as they continued, they ended up becoming very good painters of the pictures that they were given. And that's how it will be with you. when you begin painting of who you are destined to become, it may not be an excellent portrait at first. You may not start out as a very excellent painter, but as you continue and as information of who you are destined to become continue to flow in, eventually, at the end of your painting, you will realize that you have had a very interesting portrait that you will hold very dear to your heart, and it will become the energizing force of your activities in life. And one more advice is that when you have successfully painted who you are destined to become, that portrait should be your companion all the days of your life. The moment you put a distance between you and that portrait, somebody else will try to make you become what you were not destined to become. So when you have successfully painted who you are destined to become upon the tablets of your heart, let it be a portrait that you will look at every morning of your day, every afternoon, every evening, and every night before you go to bed. As you do that, you will suddenly realize an energy welling out of your inside, propelling you to fulfill that which you have painted. Now, I know that you want to excel in life, and that's why you have watched this video. And I want you to know that this point I've given you is a critical information that will help you excel in life. A lot of people who have excelled have adopted this principle, and it yielded an amazing result for them. We have somebody in scripture called Joseph. Joseph was someone who was a very good painter. He received the instruction or the information of who he was destined to be, and all his life, that was a portrait that was upon his life. Despite the circumstances that he went through, he held onto that portrait, and eventually he actually became who he had painted upon the tablet of his heart. Another interesting thing that I want you to know about this painting is that when you have successfully painted this portrait upon your heart, the energy it supplies becomes strength that enables you to overcome every hurdle that will come against you contrary to what you have seen that you are destined to become. Now, when circumstances come your way that are contrary to what you have painted, this portrait would be your source of strength, and it will propel you to becoming what you have painted. Thank you very much for spending time with me this week also, and I hope that this information will be very vital in helping you to excel in that endeavor that you are deliberate and determined to excel in. Thank you very much. Like I said, my name is Kpamor James Suleh, and this YouTube channel is a channel you will find content regularly along the lines of personal development, leadership, and life management. I hope to see you next week, Thursday, 6 p.m. GMT+1. God bless you.